All right, good Friday afternoon and happy first day of autumn. The autumnal equinox happens this afternoon at 4:02, and that's when the sun is right directly over the equator. Typically named equal day and night, but we're really not going to see that until 5 days from now, so a little bit off on that definition there. All right, let's go down to the tropics now. We're right smack dab in the middle of hurricane season, and it's been very active, especially in the last 30 days. 4 major hurricanes moving on through in the same general area, well, at least 3 of them. We had Jose, Irma, and now Maria, and still a Category 3 major hurricane here as it passes to the north and east of the Turks and Caicos. If you remember, this area was destroyed by Hurricane Irma just 2 weeks ago. Thankfully, not a direct hit this time, but they're still within range of the hurricane force winds and, of course, some storm surge and major flooding issues there. It does turn northwest and eventually just due northwards as we go through the weekend. It'll eventually also encounter some of the wake from Hurricane Jose, former Hurricane Jose, and that will lead to some weakening down to a Category 1 storm or so by the time we get towards the beginning to middle of next week. And then a sharp trough will sweep on in from the west and push that right on out to sea as it looks right now. Here's how the computer models are seeing things. Again, a good consensus taking that north, and then once it gets north of Bermuda, takes that sharp right-hand turn as it kind of gets deflected from that incoming cold front that will deliver some really cool, comfortable temperatures by the time we get to next weekend. All right, but even though it's going to be offshore and heading out to sea, still not out of the woods yet. It's a large storm, so we're still going to get some of the outlying effects. Rough surf and some beach erosion possible. Tides would be between 1 to 3 feet above normal, so a similar situation to what we had earlier this week with Jose passing offshore. And of course, if you're along the coastline, very gusty winds coming off the water as well. Here's what remains of Jose. It was downgraded to a post-tropical storm with winds now of only 45 miles per hour, and that just means it's kind of lost some of that tropical characteristics. Outside here in Hampton Roads, beautiful afternoon shaping up, lots of sunshine out there, and the weekend going to be a winner as well. Partly cloudy and comfortable temperatures. Maria likely staying offshore like we talked about, but still the fringe effects possible Tuesday and Wednesday. 83 outside right now, warming up nicely, but look at that humidity, nice and low with that dew point in the middle 60s. It feels quite nice out there. 83 in Smithfield, 82 in Currituck, 85 in Newport News, 86 in Williamsburg, and we're at 84 in Elizabeth City. Let's get a look at that 7-day forecast for you, because as we go into tomorrow, temperatures staying in the lower 80s, partly cloudy skies. Sunday, more of the same. And then into Monday, we'll watch again how things evolve with Maria increasing those clouds and possibly seeing some wave action, higher surf, and maybe even some windy conditions depending on where exactly it goes. But I think I'm getting a little more confident here that it's going to head out to sea.
It's just been such a busy hurricane season.
It really has. We're kind of getting, tired of it.
Yeah, exactly. Hopefully we're coming to the end of it. It's been a lot. All right, Tim, thank you so much. And we move to